Okay, so let me start. I started recording the class, by the way. Okay, the first thing you guys should know is that I gave you guys a video to learn trapezium rule, and all of you said that all of you know how to do trapezium rule. So therefore, I'm not teaching it. Yeah, I hope everybody agrees with me. I'm not teaching that because you already know from the videos which I sent you. Yeah, guys. Hello.
Yes.
Fine then. Chalo. Now let me start, see whether I have any trapezium rule to do for you all over here or not. Okay, everything is shading, shading, shading. Is there trapezium rule here? I don't see trapezium rule here, to be honest. Why don't I see trapezium rule here? I don't see anything. Okay, let me pause the recording. Okay, so this is one of the questions we got. It's a 4-mark question. It's about trapezium rule. Now they said complete the table below. I'm pretty sure all of you will know how to complete this table. All you have to do is that in your y, in your x-axis, in your x value, you're supposed to give 1. So if I'm doing a part over here, for example, if I'm doing the a part here, okay, so it's going to be y equals to 8 minus 2 raised to 1 minus 1. Okay, so 8 minus 2 raised to 0. So 8 minus 1, answer koto, sorry, 8 minus 1, right? So it's going to be what? 7. Agree? All of you? Guys? How I did this question? Everyone agrees? Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Now use the trapezium rule, okay, with all the values of y to complete the table. Now, I hope you guys saw my video and there how I use the trapezium rule. Let me show you that again, how trapezium rule is used, okay? So those who didn't understand, now they can understand even properly more how. This is the formula for trapezium rule. Half h. Now, you can see the h is not given to you here. How many boxes are you supposed to make? How many strips are you supposed to make? It also has not been given. So if only table is given to you, this is how you find h. Do this minus this. Butsa, do 2 minus 1. So your h is 1 actually. Your h is 1. Clear? Is that clear with everyone? Hello? Okay, your h is 1. Then,
Yes.
Yeah.
then first value is 7.5. Okay, 2 into rest all the value except the second value, the second last value plus the last value. This is how you do trapezium rule. See, again I'm saying half into h. If h is not given to you, if the table is given to you, just minus the second letter with the first one. That will always give you h. Half h is 1. Half h, okay, open bracket, first value, that is 7.5, to all the values except for the last value, close the bracket, then the last value. Do this in your calculator and see whether you're getting the answer or not. We will compare it with the mark scheme. I'm pausing the video. Okay, I got the
Yeah.
answer
Yeah.
20.75. Everybody got
Yes.
20.75. So that is the area
Yes.
of this with the help of trapezium rule. Now I have to all do is just compare the answer with mark scheme. Let me do that bit. I'm pausing the recording. So we compared the answer and answer was 20.75, which we got. Now then they said the figure 1 shows sketch of the curve. So they showed us the sketch of the curve 2 raised to x minus 1. Okay. The curve C meets the x-axis at point A and meets the y-axis at point B. Fine. The region R showed in figure, shaded in figure 1, is bounded by the curve C and a straight line through AB. Fine then. Now use your answer to part B to find approximate value for the R. Okay, I already know what is the area under the graph. I already know what is area under the graph by trapezium rule. What is it? It's 20.75. If I can somehow find area under the graph of that rectangle over here, which is over here, look, rectangle. Can you guys see this? Ami, then I will get my
It's a
shaded region.
triangle.
Sorry, triangle. It's a triangle. It's a triangle. Okay, right angle triangle. So from the whole area, which is 20.75, if I minus right angle triangle, okay, I'll be able to find this area under the graph or not. Okay, so now How do you do this sum? Now, Nafisa, you might get a bit lost over here because I will be doing logarithms and most probably Mehak also. I don't know whether I did logarithm with you or not. Shirin said me she learned the logarithm from my videos. So, but learn the ways, it's okay. So let me start doing it now. It is cutting the y-axis and it is cutting the x-axis. So if it is cutting x-axis and y-axis, I need to find their points now to find a and b, because I need to find a and b. A and b is my base and height, right? So it is y is equal to, so I'm doing C part now, y equals to, what is the answer? 8 minus 2 raised to x minus 1. 8 minus 2 raised to x minus 1. Okay? What is y? What is y? Now, y is 0 because it is cutting x-axis. If y is 0, this is how you should write it down, right? So you bring the 2 raised to x minus 1 this side and 8. Now, Jara O level er pore ar kono sum amar sathe to koro nai. Those who didn't do anything with me after O level, only few sums only, should know logarithm. What I would have done find logarithm on both the side. Log to the base 10, 2 raised to x minus 1 is equal to log to the base 10, 8. Okay, if you guys don't know logarithm, do learn it from the link I send you. I already sent you guys the link of the whole folder. So logarithm video is pretty sure it is there. Okay, in very detail I did logarithm, by the way. Go and watch it, okay, later on. So you can ignore this sum, those who don't know. Okay, then what I can do is bring this x minus 1 this side. I can write log to the base 10 to log to the base 10, 8. Bring log to the base 10 2 and 8 on the other side. Log to the base 10, 8 divided by log to the base 10, 2. Clear? Okay. Do this in your calculator. How much you guys are getting? So log to the base 10, 8 divided by log to the base 10, okay, 2, 3. So x minus 1 is equal to 3. So x equals to 3 plus 1, that is 4. So your x value here is 4. I hope all of you understood. This is 4. Now let me find when your y, it cuts the y-axis. This is basically 4,0 is, I think, a. Okay. So till here everyone understood, na? How I did this sum? Till here everyone understood?
Yes.
Except those who are not thorough with logarithm. Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. Just check how am I doing this sum. Now let us do B part. How to do B part? B in the sense B coordinates. Okay. So we have y equals to 8 minus 2 raised to x minus 1. Okay. Now your x is 0. If your x is 0, 8 minus 2 raised to minus 1. So that is going to be 8 minus 1 by 2. Check in your calculator how much is 8 minus 1 by 2. 8 minus 1 divided by 2. That is 7.5. Okay. So your height is 7.5. So all you need is area under right angle triangle. What is it? Half, base, which is 4, height, which is 7.5. And you have to minus it by 20.75 minus. That will be your answer. Check. 0.5 into 4 into 7.5, 15. 20.75 minus 15. That is 5.75. Okay, check whether the answer is 5.75 or not. It is perfect answer. All of you got how it is done? C part of this trapezium rule question. All of you?
Yes.
Anybody has any issue? Please let me know. I'm scrolling through. Just let me know what issues do you have in this sum solving. Okay, now I will give you guys some time. Copy it or do it on your own. I'll give you guys some time. Just if you want me to scroll, I will scroll. Pause recording. So all of you copied it. Now let's go to the next sum. There is another one over here itself. I have to do more shading sums with you guys also. That is later on because I did some of them last time. I remember. Do I have any other questions over here? Can I see? Yes, this one. Okay, fine then. Now A part is pretty easy to do. So I'm doing it for you all. All you have to do is just substitute 1.5 in your x coordinates. So can I do 1.5 square? 5 divided by 1.5 square plus 1 plus 1. It's did they say exact value? You know what? 1.538. Let me write 1 point because 3 decimal place here they give na 54 1.54. Okay, now next they said the R is bounded by so and so, and it is cutting x-axis. Money x-axis what 0 to 3. Fine. The R 0 and 3. Fine. Now, use the trapezium rule with all the values from your table to find an approximate value of area R. You know what? I will leave it up to you guys. Do it for me. I already showed you guys the video, and also I think 20 minutes back I showed you guys as well. So remember what I did. Try to do it on your own. So all of you guys were able to get trapezium rule answer to be 6.24. Cool. Now let's continue. Then they said use the answers in part B. Part B, what is the this thing? We are having 6.24, right? They said use your answer in part B. Now look here. If I open this bracket, like this is the question that has been given to us, okay? By using part B. So remember, I need to have some sort of part B concept in part A, part C basically. Hi. Okay, so if I open this bracket, will I get integration of 0, 4 plus integration of 5 divided by x square plus 1? Can I divide it like that? Understood, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, again, what is integration of this thing 4x? Integration, this is going to be 4x. Achha, this value we already know. What is it? 6.24. Right? Now I just need to find the value for this. What is it? 4x, 3 and 0. So what will that be? 4 into 3 minus 4 into 0. So that's going to be how much? 12. So I got 12 from here. I got 6.24 from there. So 12 plus 6.24 is your answer. Is that clear? That is around 18.24 if I'm not wrong. Check the mark scheme. It is 18.24. Guys, is it clear or not? Tell me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay then. Fine. Let's go to the next question now. Okay, there is another question over here. This is a 6-mark question. Try it on your own. I think A part very easy. B part try. Pause recording. So first part everyone was supposed to do, and you guys did it. So you guys got the answer. B part also you were able to understand and do it on your own. So I don't have to do it. So B part answer is 4.04. I'm just writing it down for my calculation purposes. So answer is 4.04. Now let me do the C part here. Now in C part, they want you to find the shaded region. Now you know this shaded region is between this. This is the shaded region. First of all, you have a right angle triangle. Okay. First of all, you have a right angle triangle, and in between you have this shaded region. Okay. You already know area under the graph from top. We did this area under the graph. Okay. So if I find the area under the whole triangle, and if I find area under the curve, and if I minus triangle with this curve, I will get my shaded region R. So that is the plan. Now, we know this is 2 and this is 6. So this is 6 and this is 2, right? So can I find the area of the triangle? Okay, half base into height. So that is going to be 6. And what is area under the graph, by the way? Area under the graph we already found, na? 4.04. So if I subtract the triangle area with 4.04, I might get my answer. So 6 minus 4.04. So that's around 1.96. Check whether answer is 1.96 or not. Actually forgot the answer. It is 1.96. Shirin, is that clear?
Yes.
Fine then. Okay, let's do some other question. Yes, looks okay. 11 marks question. Fine, very good. So let's try. So this question has been given to us. This is the graph, and there is an R between x equals to 1 and x equals to 4. And this is the equation of that graph. Now, if I'm not wrong, there has been some printing mistake. So it should be y is equal to 16 by x square minus x by 2 plus 1, if I'm not wrong. That is the question over here. Let me confirm this question. Okay, what is the actual question? Pause recording. Okay, so thanks to BBSha, I found out that this is labeled correctly in the graph itself. Fine. So I think you guys can do this question on your own now. You saw the graph. You have your at least 6-mark questions with you. Try on your own, please. Thank you. Okay, so this also, God's grace, I mean, really good, guys. You guys were able to do this A part and B part on your own. Now let's do C part. Use integration to find the exact value of area of R. Now see, here we use trapezium rule. Now we have to find integration to find exact value of R. That means you need to do something like this. Here on top, you're going to write 4 and 1. So you have to integrate everything now. This is 4 and this is 1. And you have to find the answer. Okay, so start doing it. I'm pausing the recording. Okay, so all of you were able to do this, some as well, without my help. Fine then. So I'm stopping at trapezium rule right now. I think there is some wrong with this question. This 9-mark question. I don't know. Why did they give 3 graphs over here? Okay, whatever. So let me start doing more shading questions with you all. Let me choose some unique shapes which would be hard for you guys to decide, and let me do 2 to 3 questions, and then we'll call it off today. And we are done with today's concept. Tomorrow we will do M1, and I'll start a new chapter for P2 or P1. Something else I'll start doing. Okay. So we are done. After this, we are done with P2. Full with old students. For new students, I'll keep on doing the new ones. So I'll pause my recording. Let me choose some really hard questions now. Okay, so I found this question number 21 in integration 1 file. Yeah, integration file. Try doing this on your own. It's a 4 marks and it's a 10 marks question, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so see whether you guys can do this or not. Question number 21, integration file. First one. Pause record. Pretty good over here. Okay, fine. Question number 21, A part. Apparently everybody here were able to do it. Fine, I'm not even doing that. Question number 6, B part, please then. I'm pausing the recording. Okay, so some of you guys are having doubt in the B part, but A part you guys were able to get it pretty nicely now. Now listen. Let's say you have a curve. For example, you have a curve and you need to find the tangent of it, right? It's like this. Now look at the coordinates here. Now look at the coordinates here. Did they give us the coordinates? Coordinates at point P, which is point P 4,14. Now see, do you guys know this is dy by dx, right? F dash x means what? It means dy by dx, right? So can I just substitute 4 here and get the gradient for myself? So can I do that? Can I do dy by dx? F dash x mane hoche dy by dx. Eta jodi keu na jano, please. I'm sorry. Okay, I didn't tell you, specifically the new students. Okay, remember f dash x mane hoche dy by dx. Okay, so and dy by dx means gradient. So can I write 5 into 4 square plus 4 divided by 2 into x raised to half minus 5. Put this in your calculator. Let me know what is the gradient you guys are getting. So what is the gradient you guys are getting? Hello? Did anyone try? By the way, gradient. So 5 into 4 square, that is 80. 80 plus 4, 84. 84 divided by, oh, I made a mistake. It has to be 4 raised to half over here. Okay, 4 raised to half. So you have 84 on top, and bottom you have 2 into root of 4. So that's 4 over here, minus 5. So 84 divided by 4 minus 5, that's 16. The gradient is 16. Okay. Once you got the gradient, everything is easy because they want the tangent. Remember, curve gradient and tangent gradient same. So y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. So y minus y1. What is y1? Y1 is 14. M. What is M? M is 16. X minus x1. Fine. Y equals to 16x minus 4 into 16. 64. Okay. Plus 14. Got to minus 50. So 16x minus 50. Does it match? Yes, it does. Chalo. 16x minus 50 is the answer. Is this clear with everyone? Everyone understood how to find the tangent of an equation?
Yeah.
Nabil, Rafsan, Sujata, Maria, everyone?
Yeah.
Okay then, fine. Now let me find another question. Okay guys, do this one for me, please. Here, the same equation you have to do divide dx, and the same equation also you have to integrate. See whether you guys can do this or not, okay? And then I'll show you guys the answer. I'm pausing the recording. So somebody said me to do B part, let's do B part. B part, we have to integrate your question itself, like your y. What is y? Integrate this itself. 2 by 3, right? Plus 3. Actually, can I write both of them like this, right? So if I simplify it, it's going to be x raised to 2 by 3 divided by 3 plus 1 by 2. So therefore, my answer is x raised to 2 by 3 plus 1 divided by 3 into 2 by 3 plus 1. Okay. Then plus integration of any constant is constant x. Do this in your calculator and you might get the answer. Check. So 2 by 3 plus 1. How much is 2 by 3 plus 1? So x raised to 5 by 3 divided by 5 by 3 plus half x. So I think it's going to be 3 by 5 x raised to 5 by 3 plus half x. Clear? I think, let me just check the answer. Okay, they got 1 by 5 here. Okay, there is some mistake. Let me check. 1 by 5, yeah. Oh yeah, I have a 3. Yeah, I have a 3 here. I forgot about that 3 part over here. So there is a 3 here. So 3 gets cancelled. It's 1 by 5 plus half x. Okay, everybody clear with this as well? Okay,
Yeah.
So let me go to some other questions. Try doing this. Okay, this question is good. Okay, you guys have mobile in your this thing with you all now. Just take a screenshot of, not screenshot, like take a picture of this so that I don't have to give this question to you all. I can focus on the question itself. Just check question number 18. Take a picture of it. Okay, I hope all of you did. It doesn't take so much time to take a picture. Now try to do the question. 11 mark. I'm pausing the video. So you guys were able to do a part without any this thing. It's okay, you could do this. Now we know L, equation of L is 5x minus 9. Now what do they want from me in B part? They want from me the area of R. Find them. Now can you see this is the point at which they're intersecting, right? I don't want to know. So can you see this is the, okay, now can we draw over here? Okay, can you guys see it looks like a trapezium? It does. No, it doesn't. Wait, let me check. Okay, what we can do is we can find area under the graph of the triangle. Can you see the triangle over here? This is the triangle. If I find area under the graph of the whole thing, okay, by doing integration, and from there if I do a half base into height and minus this part of the graph, that is the triangle part of the graph, I will get my shaded region. Understood? Everyone understood the plan? All of you?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now I already know where this line is crossing x-axis. So this is the x-axis here is 4, but I don't know what is the x-axis of this. What is the x value of this one? Okay, we know the equation is y is equal to something minus 9, 5x minus 9. We know equation is 5x minus 9. What is 0 here? Y is 0. If I put y 0, I will get 9 by 5 to be my x value. So this is my 9, 5. Understood this part? All of you? Okay. Now let's find area of the whole triangle. Now let's find area of the whole triangle. Okay. Half base into height. So area of the triangle is, okay, half base. Now the base is 4 minus 9 by 5, because I don't know how much is it. I need to find the gap. So 4 minus 9 by 5 in your calculator, please. It's 2.2. So base is 2.2. Height is 11. That's what they gave us. Height is 11. So can I do 0.5 into 2.2 into 11? How much is it? It's 12.1. Okay. So I hope all of you understood this part. Area of the triangle. Now let's find the area of the whole thing. Area under the triangle. So that's only this area of the graph. Now we are going to find. Okay. So we will integrate the whole thing. What is the integration? We need to integrate this particular equation over here. We need to integrate this. Okay. Do I have any space to do? Yeah, I think I have a space. So let me just do it here. I need to integrate this. Acha, you guys already did the integration, or we have to do the integration? By the way, we have to do the integration. Okay. You know what? Let me go to a clean page and do the integration by myself. Paste. So if I want to integrate this, it's going to be no, it's already integrated for us. No, we'll the equation. The equation is given to me. Yeah, we need to do integration of this. If I integrate this, it's going to be 3 by 4 x raised to 2 plus 1 divided by into 3 basically minus 4 x raised to half plus 1 divided by 1.5 plus 7. Okay, the whole thing we are doing from where to where, by the way? We are doing from 1 to 4. So it's going to be 4 and 1. Okay, so 3x cube by 12 minus 4 divided by 1.5. 4 divided by 1.5, that is 8 by 3. 8 by 3 x raised to 1.5 plus 7x. Okay, again let's do 4 and 1. Can I do 3 into 4 cube divided by 12 minus 8 into 4 1.5 divided by 3 plus 7 into 4. This is your number 1 minus 3 by 12 minus 8 by 3 plus 7. Do this in your calculator and check what is the value of area you're getting here itself. Whatever value you get, subtract it with 12.1 and see whether, and tell me whether you're getting the answer or not. Okay, just let me know. I'm pausing the recording. Okay, so we completed this question. We got this as 16, this is 64 by 3, and we did this and this. And when I entered the whole thing in calculator, I got 55 by 12. Then I entered the whole thing in calculator, I got 68 by 3 minus 55 by 12 right here. And I got 18.083. So that means whole area under the graph is 18.083, whole thing. From there, if I minus 12.1, this part, if I minus 12.1, what is the answer am I getting? Just check. I'm getting 5.83. 5.98 is the answer. It matched with the mark scheme as well. Okay. So yeah, guys. So we are done for the practice. I'm going to send you guys these files now. So in future, you guys can just practice them. There is nothing else. And watch the video as well. Okay. So I'm ending the class. Okay. Tada everyone. See you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow we will do P2 coordinate geometry. Okay. Tada. And